Hello, how are you? Welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial, we will be studying our beautiful and with an E. With this first part, I guide you in the videos you must see before continuing with the second part. Also, I will show you all the materials that we need to make hair. Something important, our end with an E is about 30 centimeters. Remember that depending on the yarn you use, the size will be different. For this amigurumi, I have used the Sinfonia yarn brand, and this yarn is about 3 millimeters. To make the base body and shoes, we already have the tutorials in our channel. In the description of this video, you can find the links. It is the same base body of our princess collection, and the shoes are the same as Merida's from the Brave movie. We will only change the color. Let's see the colors that we will use. I use 66 grams of flesh-colored yarn. White yarn for her underwear and for some detail on her eyes. Strong cinnamon color or brown for her shoes and some details on her eyes. 40 grams of tangerine yarn for her hair. 40 grams of cinnamon yarn for her dress, and 30 grams of sand colored yarn for apron and hat. For the flowers, I use 1 millimeter yarn. I prefer this yarn. You can use whatever colors that you prefer, and for this yarn I used 2.0 millimeters hook. For the center I use yellow, and for the leaves green. Also I used 10 millimeters safety eyes. If you want to use other size, it's okay. To hold her head, I use a silicone tube with 1 centimeter on diameter and never less than 12 centimeters long. Stuffed, scissor, wool needle, pins, and for this yarn, Sinfonia, I use 2.5 millimeters hook. And I make the single crochet in the form of X. If you make the single crochet in the form of V, I recommend that you use 2.0 millimeters hook. If you want to know more about this, the single crochet in the form of X or V, in the description of this video you can find the links, because we already have a tutorial in our channel. So we need some closer for the dress. I use this material, but you can use whatever material that you prefer. Also you can sew it. And only if you want it, I put some blush on her cheeks. So this is all the materials that we will need. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you want to make this amigurumi, please don't forget to subscribe in our channel and activate the bell, and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next time, bye bye!